Girls are the important part of a family, as without them it is impossible to imagine the existence of life on the earth. It is the girl who plays various roles in the family like daughter, mother, sister, which proves that there are many phases in a girl's life. Many people think that girls are burden and curse on the family, and due to this are killed in the womb itself. In some states like Punjab and Haryana, female foeticide has highly affected the sex ratio. People need to open their eyes and have to take some task in their own hands so that the life of the girl child could be saved. Government has taken some steps to reduce the killings of girl child and punishing those people who are allegedly involved in this crime. PCPNDT as Act 1994 is an act which was made to stop female foeticide and control declining sex ratio. Several other states like Haryana has introduced Ladli scheme aiming to control female foeticide and improve gender equality. Sabala scheme was launched by Ministry of Women and Child Welfare, which aims to empower adolescent girls through education. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Sharanya of class 10. Today I want to speak a few words about importance of education of girl child on the occasion of International Day of Girl Child. Education is very important for every child, whether it may be a girl or a boy. Education is a key factor of women's empowerment, welfare, prosperity and development. It is sad that some communities are still discriminating against the education of women. Discrimination of women from womb to tomb is well known for everyone. There is continued inequality and vulnerability of women in all sectors like economical, education and social life, etc. Women are being oppressed in all the sectors of life, so they need to be empowered in every walk of life. In order to fight against the system, it requires some strength. Strength comes from the empowerment and empowerment comes from education. Now let us discuss some past and present situations of the girl child in our society. As we know, in the past, the girl child is not allowed to go out of home. She used to be in the kitchen and work for her family. She used to take care of her siblings. But now the circumstances changed. The girl child is now educated. She is allowed to go out of home. She is not bound to her kitchen. I appreciate the parents who are interested in sending their girl child to schools. But still now, in some rural areas and some parts of urban areas, people are not interested in sending their girl child to schools. This may be due to lack of awareness or lack of money or lack of knowledge for the parents. I suggest the government to increase the literacy rate of women by taking some certain steps. Finally, I conclude that educating a boy is just educating a person, but educating a girl is educating a nation. Educating women is the single most profitable investment in terms of well-being of children health, community welfare, and increasing the success rate of developing countries. Thank you.
A very warm pleasant good evening to one and all. Myself Sharanya, studying 9th class in Sri Vidya Vidyalam School. Today I am here to tell about the importance of a girl child. A girl child plays a crucial role in a family. She always takes care of family. A girl child plays various different roles in a family like as a mother, as a daughter, as a sister, as a wife, etc. As a wife, a girl child acts like a man's helpmate, partner and comrade. She sacrifices many things like her ambitions and her personal likes to her husband. She always takes care of her husband. She helps the husband to overcome his problems and support him. As a sister will never leave his brother in a problem. She always supports his brother. She always takes care of her brother. A sister is a second mother to his brother. As a mother protects their children and always take care of their children. A mother will always take care of their children. She never leaves them. A mother will never expect anything from their children. She only prays that the children should be in a great position. A mother will bear much pain while giving birth to their children. A love of mother is an unconditional love. In every situation, every way, the girl is suffering from many problems. In every role, the girl is giving her best, but the society is not recognizing it. I request that please don't disencourage women. Support them. Let them come out and prove their talent. Please don't hide. Please don't let them to hide their talent. Thank you, Monica, for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you.
A very pleasant good evening to everyone. Myself, Swarnika from 9th standard, stood before you to say some few important points about the girl's important role in sports. The girl or woman who plays sports having higher level of higher confidence, self-esteem and lower depression. The girl and woman who play sports experience higher states of psychology well-being than the other girls and women who do not play sports. The women and girls who are active in sports and recreation activities having greater confidence, self-esteem and pride in their physical and social skills. The girls some girls who are participating in some kind of sports experience higher than the self-esteem average levels of self-esteem and lower depression. For example, we can take Mithil Raju, PV Sindhu and Mirabai. These are some examples of the who have achieved great success in sports. Mithil Raju is an Indian cricketer who was the captain for national women's cricket team. And PV Sindhu who was an Indian badminton who was won gold medal in 2019 World Champions. And Mirabai has won second place in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics and awarded as Padma Shri by the government for her contribution towards the sports. So by this we can conclude that the girls are also plays an important role in sports and respect women and girls, give respect for girls. Thank you.
Hi friends, myself Monica from 9th class. I'm here to say a few words about importance to educate a girl child. In olden days, girls are not having much freedom to educate, but now we are having the freedom to educate. So we need to utilize this opportunity. And why our country is still a developing country? Because the main reason is that most of the girls are not educated. If a girl is educated, she is independent and no need to depend on others. If a girl is educated, they will get a particular respect from the society and their parents will be more happy of her. And if a girl is educated, she can help the children in many ways like education. If a girl is educated, she will get a job and she can earn salary. Both husband and wife will earn the salary and they'll get more money and they can give the best education to their children and they can develop financially and they are useful for their house maintenance. Girls are equal to boys. Nowadays girls are coming out and giving their best. So educate a girl and develop the country. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, this is Monica C of class 10. I'm going to share a few words about the International Day of Girl Child. International Day of Girl Child is celebrated on 11th October everywhere. This day is to highlight and promote awareness about the girl child in the society. This day is meant to promote the empowerment of the young girl everywhere and while also supporting the attainment of the basic rights like education and bodily autonomous. Famous leaders and the political leaders used to speak about the girl child to bring the awareness in the society. So we must respect the girl child and also recognize the importance of the girl child and also do not discourage the girl in the society. They are the key role of the society. So educate the girl and reduce the poverty. Thank you one and all for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi Sriratna of class 9 stood before you to tell about the importance of job for a woman. In today's society, a woman should be well settled to pay her own bills. Then only she will get respect and she have the willpower to face any problem, both physically and mentally. If she have money and good job, then only her voice has a value. Otherwise, both our society and family give her zero value. Here, the case of wife is much difficult than a husband. She have to do household works early at the morning, which has no payment, and after this her career. Maintaining both career and family, a superwoman can do that very well. This gives a woman independence and freedom to make her own decisions in life, along with offering her a new level of strength which surely boosts her confidence. For example, there are two members. First one is a job-holding person and second one is a housewife. For every personal need and parents' money issues, the first one can give from her salary, but the second one can't give from her salary because she doesn't do any job, so that she should be depend upon her husband's money. So first one is independent and second one is depend upon her family or parents or siblings or husband, etc. By these situations, I can tell that the job is very important in a woman's life. I want to tell a point for every woman that first you should set your career and you should go for marriage. When you are happy and independent and when you are respectable in your society, your life is very beautiful. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all. I am Abubakar from class 10th. I am here to tell you about International Day of Girl Child. Every year on 11th October, International Day of Girl Child is celebrated to empower them and amplify their voice. It acknowledges the importance, power, and potential of the adolescent girl by encouraging them and giving them good opportunities. This day also holds importance as it eliminates gender-based challenges that the little girl face around the world, including child marriages, discrimination, violence, and poor learning opportunities. International Day of Girl Child was first achieved by the Beijing in 1995 on World Conference on Women. It was the first event ever to have identified the needs for addressing issues faced by the adolescent girl around the world. International Day of Girl Child began as a part of non-government international organization plan. This campaign was designed to nurture girls, especially in developing countries, to promote their rights and bring them out of poverty. So I conclude that every girl child must be educated to empower them. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Hello everyone, I am Artejas of class 10. I am here to say a few words about the International Day of Girl Child. International Day of Girl Child is an international observance day declared by the United Nations. It is also called the Day of Girls and the International Day of Girl. October 11, 2012 was the first day of Girl Child. Now we celebrate it every year on October 11 to empower girls and help them to get their rights so that they can face the challenges all over the world and meet their needs. It acknowledges the importance, power, and potential of adolescent girls by encouraging and opening up of more opportunities for them. The observation increases awareness of gender inequality faced by girls worldwide based upon their gender. This day also holds importance as it eliminates the gender-based challenges that little girls face around the world, including child marriages, discrimination, violence, and poor learning opportunities. It also increases awareness of issues faced by girls around the world. Adolescent girls have the right to a safe, educated, and a healthy life. The Day of Girls help raise awareness not only of the issues that girls face, but also of what is likely to happen when those problems are solved. For example, educating girls help reduce the rate of child marriage, disease, and help strengthen the economy by helping girls having access to higher paying jobs. Thank you.
मैं हूँ चेदिता 10वीं कक्षा से। यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता, अर्थात जहाँ नारी की पूजा होती है वहाँ देवता बसते हैं और जहाँ नारी का अपमान होता है वहाँ ईश्वर और भाग्य दोनों रुष्ट हो जाते हैं। हम ये सब मानते हैं किंतु अपनाते कितना। अब आप कहेंगे कि हम सहयोग को सबके सामने सम्मान देते हैं, उसके जन्म दिवस पर या विवाह के वर्षगांठ पर उपहार देते हैं आदि, क्या ये पर्याप्त है? सोचिए, एक स्त्री अपनी पति के लिए, अपनी पिता के लिए, अपनी भाई के लिए, अपनी पुत्र के लिए क्या क्या नहीं करती, और उससे एक उपहार देकर हम संतुष्ट मानते हैं। एक स्त्री को ये सब नहीं चाहिए। एक स्त्री को स्वर्ण आभूषण नहीं चाहिए, महंगे वस्त्र नहीं चाहिए। उसे चाहिए सम्मान, बराबरी का भाव। यदि नारी कल्याणी हो तो नारी महाचंडी भी बन सकती है। यदि नारी जन्म दे सकती है तो नारी मृत्यु बनकर महाविनाश भी बन सकती है। जहाँ नारी का अपमान होता है वहाँ महाभारत भी महाभारत बन सकता है। बेटियों और बेटाओं के मध्य भेदभाव देखने को मिलता। शिक्षित होने देखने के लिए बच्चियों को उनके अधिकारों के संरक्षण देखने के लिए और दुनिया भर में लड़कियों की आवाज़ के सशक्त और बढ़ाने के लिए हम विश्व बालिका दिवस मनाते हैं। इसलिए यहाँ की सभी बालिकाओं को मेरी तरफ से विश्व बालिका दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।